और आपने तो जैसे मुझे बताया कि बहुत बड़े-बड़े ग्रंथ पढ़े हैं। तो इस जर्नी की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई?
My mom got me my first Ramayana, and that Ramayana I still have. It is still in my cupboard. Then also they gave me a Mahabharat.
में भगवान श्री कृष्ण का एक मैसेज है भगवत गीता में, है ना, जो उन्होंने अर्जुन को दिया। आपके हिसाब से क्या उससे हमें सीखने को मिलता है इन आवर डेली लाइफ?
भगवद गीता का मैसेज क्या है? फॉलो धर्मा, सरेंडर योरसेल्फ टू गॉड, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ डूइंग व्हाट यू हैव, डूइंग योर कर्म, डू निष्काम कर्म, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
पता है परिधि, बहुत सारे लोगों को इस एज में शायद ये सब चीजें नहीं पता होता, बट आई एम रियली अमेज्ड कि आप इतने छोटे हो, लेकिन यू हैव रेड भगवत गीता 6 to 7 टाइम्स और इतना सब कुछ पता है आपको। अ, क्योंकि आपने भक्ति की बात की और काफी बड़े बड़े शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। भक्ति क्या है आपकी नजर में?
भक्ति is pure devotion.
हम्म।
Now, pure devotion, I don't mean that you go to Bhagwan ki you
हाँ।
have a problem and you're just going to Bhagwan and you're like, Bhagwan, ye problem nikal do, Bhagwan ne nikal diya, and you never go to the temple. You never see that temple again. That is a consistent thing. For example, in my family, every weekend we go to Ayyappa temple. Because I pray to, other than Krishna, I also pray to Shiva, Ayyappa, and all these gods also. So every weekend we go to Ayyappa temple and we like take darshan of Ayyappa. And so you have to be consistent.
With
Also,
भक्ति।
you have to lose yourself. Just imagine that you keep a tiny block of ice near the hot, like near the ocean. अभी इतना गर्म है. So this इतना गर्म है, forget that. So this ice will just melt and go into the ocean. This I will explain why it matters in bhakti. That block of ice is you and me and like all the human beings, future, and that ocean is Sri Krishna. So you are melting and combining into him eventually in life.
So everything is going into भगवान श्री कृष्ण, राइट? हमने भगवत गीता के उस पाठ की बात की है जहाँ पे भगवान श्री कृष्ण जो है उन्होंने अर्जुन को एक मैसेज दिया, और अर्जुन जाहिर सी बात है उनके शिष्य तो थे ही, लेकिन साथ ही साथ में अर्जुन एक क्षत्रिय भी थे, एक योद्धा भी थे। और महाभारत के युद्ध में जब वो अपने उन लोगों के सामने खड़े थे, उनके वो रिलेटिव्स थे, राइट? उन लोगों के साथ खड़े थे जिन्होंने बचपन में उनके साथ समय बिताया था। आप महाभारत के युद्ध को कैसे देखते हो?
You see कि महाभारत के युद्ध में, so there is this YouTube channel called Raz by Big Brain Quote. So उन्होंने ये एक चीज मेंशन किया है which I think is very beautiful. After that I'll tell you how I think of the Mahabharata. So it is said that history is written by winners. Because right now Shakuni is Shakuni, Krishna is Krishna, Pandavas are Pandavas, and Kauravas are Kauravas. But if it had been reversed and Kauravas had won, then Shakuni would become Krishna, Krishna would become Shakuni, and vice versa, and the same for like the Kauravas and Pandavas. So that proves history is written by winners. Now, in my opinion, it is like कि एक side पे there is on one side the sun and on the other side there is complete darkness. The side where there is the sun is the side with 7 Akshagni, and that is the Pandavas. The side that is completely dark, even though it's large, because our galaxy is mostly dark and it's very large.
Yes.
Even though it's large, it is dark. 11 Akshagni, more than the Pandavas, millions of soldiers. Still, they had adharma on their side. That is why the Kauravas lost.
वाह! धर्म और अधर्म की बात हम कर रहे हैं परिधि, आपके हिसाब से धर्म क्या है?
In my opinion, dharma is right conduct. Now, I have heard many people that get confused between dharma and karma. So, dharma
हाँ,
is right conduct and karma is action. And I think of karma as it's a wooden boomerang with like karma engraved on it. And like when you
हुँ,
throw it, it will come back to you. Also, one more thing. I forgot to
हुँ,
mention this in the previous question. That in the Mahabharat war,
हुँ,
it is said that even though the Kauravas had apparently lost, it was only their physical bodies that lost. नहीं तो फिर
ओके,
Krishna himself declares, I am everything. In everything, I would like to say Krishna has lost and won. Krishna has been
हुँ,
killed and he has killed. Krishna has cried and yet not cried. So he has done everything in the war
हुँ,
and outside the war. So that's why he's also called as Sampurnata.
ओके। अ, परिधि के ईष्ट कौन है? याद
If you mean by Ishtadevta, it's Krishna. I love Krishna. Sri
ओके,
Krishna.
और क्यों?
So, I just mentioned that his name is Sampurnata, one of his
हाँ,
name.
हुँ,
It literally translates to Sampurna, everything
हुँ,
avatar.
हुँ,
Because he has done everything in his life. From the
हुँ,
moment he was born to the
हुँ,
moment he died, he was doing something or the other. Every action humanly possible has been performed in his life. He was a lover, he was a prisoner, a charioteer, a warrior, a wrestler, a husband, a father. He was everything.
हुँ,
Again, I'll read this. On the war, on the battlefield, he both lost and won. He both
ओके।
killed and has been killed. He is everything.
और आप मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम को कैसे देखते हो? भगवान राम को, भगवान श्री राम को आप कैसे देखते हो?
I see Sri Ram and Sri Krishna as one. I see
हुँ,
every god and every goddess in this world as one. That's it. So like, so you know there's this I know Vaishnava. So in
हुँ,
Vaishnava beliefs, it is there's this Mahavishnu
हुँ,
जिनके breathing cycle same universes निकल रहे हैं. So they're coming out of his body little by
हुँ,
little, all of the universes. And another belief in Vaishnavism is that all gods have descended from Krishna.
ओके। परिधि बिकॉज़ मैंने सुना है कि आप डांस भी करते हो, राइट? यू आर इंटू क्लासिकल डांसिंग?
Yes.
तो परिधि को इतना समय कैसे मिलता है कि डांस भी करती है, स्कूल भी जाती है एंड देन स्पिरिचुअली इतनी नॉलेज होना, हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल दिस?
You see, middle school, it's like during the morning only it gets like done by afternoon. I come home,
हुँ,
I'll be reading something on the other, and
हुँ,
then evening ko I'll go to my class, I'll come back, I'll
हुँ।
eat dinner, and I'll sleep. That's my routine.
एंड देन व्हेन यू लर्न ऑल दिस स्पिरिचुअली आप ये सब ग्रंथ कब पढ़ते हो?
You see, you can. So I'm going to tell you this. Whoever you ask in my family, they will tell you कि ये हमेशा पूरे दिन पढ़ते ही पढ़ती रहती है. Whether it's
कब?
on like Kindle or reading an actual book, I'll
हाँ,
always be.
ओके,
So that is.
ठीक है। आपको पता है परिधि मेरे इष्ट जो है ना वो भी भगवान श्री कृष्ण है और एक छोटा-सा सवाल मैं यहाँ पे आपसे पूछूँगी कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण को लोग अलग-अलग रूप में पूजते हैं। कोई उन्हें भाई बना लेता है, कोई उन्हें बेटा बना लेता है, अलग-अलग रिश्ते में जोड़ लेते हैं। आपको क्या लगता है कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण क्योंकि संपूर्ण अवतार तो हैं ही, पूर्ण अवतार तो कहते ही हैं, लेकिन ये अलग-अलग रिश्तों में बाँधना, हाउ डू यू सी दिस?
You know वो श्लोक आता है ना त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव वो वाला श्लोक
हाँ।
आता है ना
हुँ,
that is a perfect example because that
हुँ,
shlok in itself is telling that you are Vidya, you are Dhan, you are ah, you're my mother, you're my father. He himself is
हुँ,
declaring, I am the mother of this universe, I am the father, seed giving
हुँ,
father of this universe. I am the grandsire of this universe. I'm the overlooker of this universe. I'm the proprietor of this universe. He's everything. So that is why bhaktas take advantage of that and love him in their own special love.
ओके। अच्छा, एक चीज़ और कि जब भी हम पूजा करते हैं, है ना? हमने भक्ति की बात करी, लेकिन जब भी हम पूजा करते हैं तो हर किसी की लाइफ में क्या होता है कि बहुत बिज़ी शेड्यूल्स होते हैं, लोग ऑफ़िस जाते हैं, लेकिन कई लोग उसे एक रूटीन की तरह फ़ॉलो करते हैं, राइट? आपने कहा भक्ति भी इनकंसिस्टेंट उसमें नहीं हो सकता, आपको यू शुड बी कंसिस्टेंटली फ़ॉलोइंग इट। लेकिन जब इंसान पूजा करता है लेकिन उस पूजा को वो समझ नहीं रहा है, डेली मान लीजिए आरती कर रहे हैं बट उसमें वो सिर्फ डेली याद है तो इसलिए वो कर रहे हैं। बट उसमें उतना उतना इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं हो रहा है। इस पूजा को आप कैसे देखते हो? या फिर एक इंसान वो है जो डेली शायद पूजा नहीं कर पाता या वो रिचुअल्स फॉलो नहीं कर पाता, लेकिन उसके मन में भक्ति है, वो भगवान के लिए उतनी ही श्रद्धा या उतनी ही आस्था रखता है।
So for the first group of people,
हुँ,
I would say कि the only thing you have to do is don't do puja from your mind, do it from your heart. How? When you're doing puja, don't let your mind wander anywhere else. Right now, you have to focus on your God. And
Okay.
one extremely good hack I would give is
हुँ,
that remember their leelas. For example, if your God is Krishna, remember any leela of Krishna while doing puja. If your God is Shiva, remember any Shiva leela. For Devi, it's the same. For Ganpati, the same. So, ऐसे ही whoever is your God, remember their leela. And that makes you like filled with joy listening to the leela, and like you automatically become devotee.